What are we going to do today?
An Indian will pick Indian mangoes.
An Indian picking Indian mango. Here, this side. I got one earlier. This is ripe, I think. This one. Here.
Huh?
The dark green. You can see dark green. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Try. Yeah, the big ones. There's ant. There's big ant. Be. Okay, you're safe. 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 Safe, you're safe. You're safe.
It bite me on. From where they came? From the mango?
Mm-mm. Okay, you're safe. Just pull it one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Pull. It's okay, you cannot catch it. So yeah. We got 3. I think this is this is habal. Ito yung perfect kainin na Indian mango, habal. Maliliit lang sila pero ano na, habal. Go get me bowl, baby. I still have 1 week to enjoy our Indian mango. Go call daddy na. Si daddy Indian mango is here.
I want to eat angel mango.
Try. And Mishka is calling Indian mango. How do you call Indian mango? She's calling it angel mango.
That is really
Perfect i-partner sa mangga, Indian mango, bagoong. You try this, Mimi. Okay, siguro kapilaw. Perfect. Yummy. Kaya naman, Indian mango with chaat masala. Indian mango. You like it? Mami Kay bought you new shoes. Be walking, be. Be walk, be. Walk, be. Go na, love in case there na, Mami Kay, go. Fast. Mishka, fast. You miss Daddy Abhi?
Did you miss me?
I miss my Mishka too.
Oh, I miss manang Mishka too.
Kiss me.
I miss you. Kasi mga 3 araw sila hindi nakita. Yes. Yeah.
Can I buy this in India?
Yes, you can bring that to India. So, hindi. Naghahanda kami guys dahil ngayon ang libing ng tito ko. Malipinsan ni Mama.
This number?
Or Mishka also. Dito yung simbahan namin guys. And dito yung misa na gaganapin para sa tito ko. Alas ano pa lang naman, mga 12. 1 yung start ng mass. Doon din si Abby kasama sa mga lalaki. Tambang. India gani ang plano nga dalo mo sa Amerika. Malunggay pandesal no wala.
Hot cheese lang.
Hot cheese only, not malunggay pandesal.
Okay, what is this? What is that?
Garlic bread.
Okay.
So, what you want? Pandesal, no? There's Spanish bread also. Pandesal lang, no? Yeah.
I want with cheese.
With cheese, okay. How many? Pudding.
Wait, what is all 10?
10 ka pandesal.
Mommy, I want also with cheese.
Yeah, here, Uncle is giving. Salamat. Fresh pandesal. Pero mas gusto niya yung malunggay pandesal sana. Thank you, Gitnang. That is garlic bread. Okay, try that.
Namit? Ha? Namit?
So, we are here right now at NGC.
Again.
Again. Kasi nag-aya yung aking kuya na mag-dinner. And then, i-treat niya yung mga kids ng Jollibee. So, we just take out the Jollibee. Dito kami mag-dinner sa marketplace. Ano? Tama. Marketplace. Namin na diya. Arroz niya. That's daddy. Okay, I will give you.
Say. What you say?
You want to chupak? I will buy from this glass.
Thank you. Mommy, we can eat it. Mommy, Bay, open.
Dali na lang, ha?
Mommy, Bay, I can open it.
Okay, you can open it.
Init na lang.
Where's
Like
my
mango masala style, no?
fries?
Traditional.
Mommy, I
that
didn't
kind?
have
Is it like that?
Fries is here.
No, these are bobbers.
You want chicken oil? You want chicken oil, Mimi, no? Merong nakitang mga friends si Api dito, guys. Mga Indians then from Punjab. So, yan siya.
You like Jollibee?
Yung kanyang mga bagong friends.
Great.
When we started,
Nandito kami ngayon sa Mega World, the Upper East. After dinner, tambay-tambay muna kami dito. Alas guys, alas 10. Pero marami pa rin yung mga tao dito. Marami kasing mga food carts. Hindi sa nami, ana.
Yes.
Hindi sa mango na iyaya. You wanna try avocado?
4.5 rating.
So? Aba, miss.
Gusto.
Ay, paano?
You eat Daddy Paul.
Hindi sa mga taga mo. Ginatudlo yung si Berber sa imo.
I don't want.
Give Berber na, he will cry karon.
I want
Share ka mo Berber kay very big.
Banda sa kung hindi ka mag-share.
Sharing is caring. Share ka mo Berber. What?
Habugin ko ni habol.
Uy, dito oh. Very good pa. Ari pa ito di Paul oh. Ang ari mo oh. Share with man ang blue na lang.
Yeah, baby.
Ari na kayo magkakay na po.
I watch Mango.
Baby, bro. What the fuck? Isa pa sa story. ज़्यादा महंगा तो नहीं है, 30 के आसपास है। 1 टन का शेयर को मैं बराबर
Sa inyo ba yan?
1 टन काफी है। हम लोग का 1.5 टन है, लेकिन 1.5 टन उतना आप लोग उतना चीलिंग करने के लिए 1 टन का काफी है।
And we decided to sit here backside. Are you enjoying sitting here backside?
Yeah, in evening it is okay.
Yeah. Pero pag tanghali, you cannot sit here
Yeah.
outside. So parang ganito road trip sa gabi. This is fun.
So 1 week more after this, back to city life.
1 week. Yeah, 1 week more.
Almost 1 week in Philippines.
So, ito yung South Ceres Terminal. So, dito kami sasakay, guys. Yung pauwi namin ng India, hindi kami mag-aeroplano papuntang Manila. We are going to try bus or Ceres from Bacolod papuntang Cebu. And then Cebu, yun yung aming departure sa Pilipinas. So, this time, we are not going back to Manila. Actually, marami yung nagtatanong if babalik pa ba kami sa Manila for another meet-up. But then, para ma-experience din namin yung Cebu. And then, ma-experience din ni Api na mag-bus papuntang Cebu kasi he's been planning to go other islands. He wanted to ride the ferry or yung mga roro para ma-experience niya yung parang feeling niya nasa cruise ship siya. So that's why, one reason why we are going to Cebu instead of Manila. And also, it was cheaper
Yeah.
to Cebu. Our exit point is Cebu compared sa pupunta pa kami ng Manila. So yeah, that's the itinerary. Next week, pauwi ng India.